1,000 words ain't enough to define.
Welcome to Biology. Biology.
This collaboration is hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And if you don't know who this queen is, look down in my description and visit her home.
You are ready for it. Show off.
Here, this is the results of my backyard. My gazebo is gone.
Gotta be hard on you now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Say, you think you the deal, you know nothing, babe. I want something real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it would be. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping nervous conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. She get high on confirmation, keeping nervous conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping nervous conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention.
What makes this area relaxing for me? Well, guys, early in the morning to have a cup of coffee or tea and sit outside to listen to the birds chirping is just absolutely so relaxing. And also, it's my meditation area where I can just listen to the traffic in the mornings. It is just an oasis, I call it, because it's also my praying area. I come in and just relax and clear my mind, my thoughts. So guys, this is my relaxing area. Plus my zen is I have a water feature and it's absolutely so relaxing. So guys, this is what makes my area relaxing to me.
You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally. Yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Gotta be hard on you now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Say, you think you the deal, you know nothing, babe. I want something real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it would be. My fault. attention. She get high on confirmation, keeping her as conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping her as conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. A thousand words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Gotta be hard on you now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Say, you think you the deal, you know nothing, babe. I want something real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it would be. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping there as conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. She get high